I'm using a terracotta pot, and I've sealed the hole with M-Seal. After adding soil, I planted this pennywort plant as its leaves resemble a penny. Next, I cover the top layer with sand to prevent the soil from mixing with the water once the pot is placed in the pond. In the freezer compartment of this refrigerator pond, I'm placing 2 bricks to elevate the pot and keep the plant in place. I've only covered the pot up to the roots. After filling the pond with water, I add a few guppy fish. Day 7, new leaves have started to sprout from the plant. Make sure not to submerge the pot completely into the pond, or the plant stem won't be able to emerge from the water.
Day 27. It's a sunny day today, and the plants seem to be enjoying the sun.
It's really taken off. Now, it's time to trim it. I'm cutting back the stems that have dipped into the water to prevent overcrowding. After draining the water, I did a water change. Pennywort is a beautiful plant, but it requires plenty of sunlight. You can also grow it in a regular pot outside the pond. Just make sure it gets water every day, as it prefers to have wet soil. To watch the full video of how I made this refrigerator pond, check out the Fish Pond playlist. Thank you for watching.